Hey everybody, we left Hollywood Studios and it was just too busy. We couldn't even ride a ride. We're gonna go shopping at Target and then we're gonna go park hopping. We're gonna go back at 2 o'clock and go to Epcot Center. So we're gonna look around Target. You never know what we're gonna find. They have helicopter rides here as low as $15. That was a yellow one. A lot of them are red. There's Robbie. So we're gonna go in, see what we can find. There's a Target sign. I can't see anything because of the sun. Trees are so beautiful here. All right, let's see what they got. think it would be down this way. What is that?
Houses.
Look at that. Shark slippers. That oh, you put your foot in the mouth where the teeth are?
Yeah.
How much is it?
$20.
All right, let's take a restroom break. We'll be right back.